How to cancel shipped order on Temu. Now, if you go directly to Temu's official site and head into their help center and feedbacks, you should be able to see their cancellation policy. So if you will be canceling parcels or items that has already been shipped out, unfortunately, you won't be able to do this because this is already out of their control. The only thing that you can do instead is to coordinate with one of their support by reaching out to this tab right here or heading directly to the messages tab. Now on your end, what you want to do is just to wait till the item gets to you and check if there are some part of the products you ordered has some damage with it. Then by there you can definitely have it canceled, return the item, and refund on a specific amount that you paid for it. And that's it. Those are only the things that you can do for you to be able to cancel an order that has already been shipped on Temu.